So here I am. Today is the last day of 2024 and I am here just to discuss about all my regrets and faults that I did in this year which prohibited me from being successful. You can say that. So first of all, I had a huge free time this year, but I didn't worked on myself, and as you can hear my English also, I didn't improved in pronunciation and speaking this language, and also I had many targets to do this year, most of which were regarding my YouTube channel and social media. And what I want to say is that I failed nearly all the targets that I made regarding my online presence, and the only thing that I did was I uploaded some videos on my channel which made it come to life again, but those are all just uncooked videos, very raw and unfinished. I wanted to publish very much professional videos, but I never went to that extent to upload them, and those what I have uploaded are quite just a garbage in comparison to the initial videos which I made and uploaded in the channel. Now, regarding my social media internet Instagram page, I posted 3 4 posts, but never made efforts to post it, and it's been abandoned from 4 5 months at least, I guess, or more. Other things which I wanna say, this year was quite a chance for me to do something I loved or I wanted to pursue in future, and I failed in it. One thing that I want to tell is that I uninstalled the two games which I had been playing for a very long time, which are PUBG and Clash of Clans. Those are installed from my mobile phone. I don't have them, and the time which I was left free with after installing both the games was occupied by social media, and I have wasted quite a huge time in the second half of this year to social media only. And first half was in exams and games. Social media was less, but YouTube took all the time. I mean, consumption. YouTube took most of the time this year, and gaming was decreased. Some moments are there I wanted to share, but I don't have that much in my mind right now to say because the time is less and I want to process this video in an editing software, and want to publish it before it's 1st of Jan 2025, so before New Year. This is what I wanted to say. Two things that I followed this year was, one was 1 second everyday challenge. I did forget a few days to take the videos in it, but I was able to manage most of the day's videos. What I want to say is that I have captured most of the days in videos, and I have been merging right now, but it will take very much long, and probably it will be uploaded tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know, but I want to publish it tomorrow. It would be better if I would have been able to publish it today only. And I I also took the pictures of my face every day from April 1st, so fourth month, to this today, and it will show the changes in my face. I have gained some weight this year. I was pretty much thin at the initial months of this year, and right now I have 4 or 5 kg at least gained, uh, or 7 kgs, which will be fluctuating 5 to 6 kgs, uh, fluctuation in 2 3 kgs max. And I what what other things I learned? In cooking I have improved, but yet I am not very much comfortable in living in Prayagraj, staying in Prayagraj in rented room and making my own food. It is taking quite a long time. It takes always quite a long time, and hinders studies, and if I want to develop any skill, which is a side thing right now because of what I wanted to discuss, that I have wasted all the time. Yeah, this is all right now. I had I had taken some serious efforts in making my body fit, but left it afterwards, and I don't have any, I mean, fit body you can say, but it is quite good body right now, even without exercising. I feel so. So this year is full of my regrets, and I want to not regret anymore. I I hope to. I don't hope, actually. I will be doing all the things that I didn't done this year. Next year's resolution is full on development, self development, and earning. So social media and online presence will be prioritized after my examinations, at least, which means at most after my examinations. Otherwise I will be doing it from the first day onwards. And I have entrance examinations for which I have to prepare, and so I will won't be able to give my whole time to developing skills this in the initial phase of the new year, but I am definitely going to prioritize this time, and because the age I am in right now is pretty much serious. I want to I don't want I mean I will be putting efforts in making videos. As you can see, this one is also a rushed one, very much raw, unprocessed, not putting any efforts to make it. So from after this video, I mean whichever I will be making as a journal or in my official channel. For my official channel, I will be putting efforts in editing and making the video and taking the clips and all. So I have to make it professional because I know how to make somewhat. I need to learn in this way. By just uploading raw, I am just uh, completing a quota to upload videos, like just completing a check in the tasks that I wanted to do. So yeah. mm, I guess this is all as for now, but I am definitely going to put efforts in developing myself and also totally eliminating the time I am wasting always on social media. I will be reducing it quite to nil this time because it is just rotting my brain, and I know that I am not able to contain the knowledge that I read or see, or to memorize anything. I forget anything very soon. So I have to look for it to. It's the 6th year since I got mobile phone, and I could have done very much. I wanted to do too, but it's all my fault. Neither I went ahead academically nor in this field where I wanted to go to. Past regrets are different, as that subject change matter which I had in class 11th and now is different. 2020 in 2024, means this year only, there was quite a hectic time. I wanted to change the subject in the 3rd year, the subjects which I am majoring in. So it's a quite a different story, and still it's ongoing, and I am not going to change, in my opinion, the subjects because it's too much late. So yeah, bye. With all the regrets, I need to learn, and I will not repeat this in this new year. See, you are in a pretty much bad condition right now. You are aimless. You are not doing anything. I mean, I am not doing anything. You know what to do. So I hope this time, the next year, I will be uploading a happy video regarding what I have achieved in 2025, because I have wasted 4 5 years, this not only this year, 4 5 years in total. So yeah, with all the regrets, I am signing off. 2024.